Here's my drama. I got two garage doors, replaced the old ones, but all of a sudden I had to remove my garage opener. So here's the garage opener. As you can see right here, look at the space that it has, and that's how much space it takes from the ceiling. And guess what? When I open the door, it goes so close to the ceiling that it hits. See that? There we go. Look at that. So I'm gonna show you guys. As you can see, look how close it is to the ceiling, and it was hidden. Even though I've adjusted this as much as possible, but it still hits the ceiling. Look at that. The higher you go, it gets very close to the ceiling. So for that reason, I ordered these right here. You see these replacements? These are actually made by the same company. That's the company name right there. They made by the same company, and you can install them. The higher you go, the more clearance you have. For me, this height right here is perfect, and I actually bought an additional wheel, so I have two wheels on it just so it's a little better and firm on the track. But we're gonna try to open it so you can see the difference. Look at that. You see how it's already dropping? I mean, look at the space difference at that angle, right? Which is perfect, is what I need. But I'm gonna go a little higher, and look at that. That space is such a big difference compared to the old one. I'm very impressed by this and very happy with it. And it's also gonna flat. Look how flat it is, right? Both sides, nice and flat. And that's what you want. You want a lot of space. So as I continually open this, you're gonna see the space I have up there. I mean, it's just great. It's perfect. Okay guys, so this is my completed project. As you can see, I have these. Got 4 of them all across. Both motors have been installed. I still need to clean up the wiring and you know, kind of hide it so it looks better. But I'm gonna be doing that next. I'm gonna order some things to hide the wires. But both garages are all set. I'm gonna open them up right now, and you can see that they no longer hit the ceiling. Look at the space to the ceiling. Look at that, perfect. We got like plenty. We got plenty of space. See that? There's like about 2 inches or more available. So guys, that has been my fix. My solution to the problem has been to use those bars. And if you have any questions or concerns, let me know, and I'll try to help you out. Thanks for watching.